Thank you for joining us here at HTJ.tax, the platform where we try to demystify the sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and the privilege of two very distinguished guests to help us understand international tax for Brazil. And that's Pilar and Rodrigo. Would you guys like to introduce yourself? Ladies first, Pilar.
Oh, hello, everyone. Really nice to be here. I'm a Brazilian tax advisor. I'm also an academic, and I've been working at HHP, that's a Dutch law firm with international cases. I think that's the main thing.
Fantastic. And Rodrigo.
Hi, everyone. My name is Rodrigo. Thanks, Darren, for the invitation to be here. I'm a tax lawyer in Brazil. I'm a tax partner at Mota Fernandes. We are a law firm based in Rio, São Paulo, and Brasilia, the capital of Brazil. I'm also a tax professor here in Brazil. I teach tax law at the court here in Rio de Janeiro. We have a law school at the court, so I teach tax law for those who want to be judges here in Brazil. So basically, I have this experience acting as a tax lawyer and also as a tax professor here.
Fantastic. How is crypto taxed in Brazil?
There are lots of discussions about how people are taxed in Brazil.
Yeah.
We had the idea is that must be taxed as an asset, as income.
Yeah.
But I think the biggest problem is how to control that.
When the exchange may be outside of Brazil and there's no visibility.
I think the biggest problem, I think Portugal had a nice idea. If you exchange that for a house in Portugal, for something in Portugal, then they tax it, then they can recognize it. Tax, they can recognize it. I think the biggest problem about crypto is identifying it to be able to be taxed.
This year, in our tax return, we had a change in the forms, in the digital forms, in order to oblige people to inform about the crypto they have. I'm pretty sure it was the first movement that the Brazilian IRS did regarding the taxation of crypto. But I totally agree with Pilar. It's something that it's brand new, and even the Brazilian authorities doesn't know exactly how to tax. One thing that they have in mind, and they understand that it's taxable. It's if you buy and sell crypto and you have a gain, you need to pay the tax over this gain. So basically, but it's very difficult to control. There's a lot of different discussions about the currency. If you need to convert the crypto in dollars and then in dollars to Brazilian reais, or you can convert directly. Which type of exchange rate you use? So there's a lot of discussions about that, and it's a very challenging task for the following years, I think.
I think if in theory, if you treat that as an asset, you also tax the capital gain. In theory, it's quite easy. It's an asset.
In theory, yeah.
But it's not how you apply that.
Gotcha.
So the exchange, the logic, I think crypto, the logic is different from the other currencies. And it's an asset, but it's also a currency. I think right now we are trying to understand how to tax that.
Okay.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.